Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for epic product showdowns. Today, we're taking to the skies with two incredible drones from DJI, the Mini 2 SE and the Mini 4 Pro. Buckle up, because we're about to find out which one of these bad boys deserves a spot in your tech arsenal. Let's talk money. The Mini 2 SE will set you back $279. Meanwhile, the Mini 4 Pro demands a whopping $759. Reviewers say the Mini 2 SE offers amazing value for the money with its build quality and ease of use. On the other hand, the Mini 4 Pro, though pricey, is praised for its advanced features and excellent camera quality. Battery life. The Mini 2 SE boasts a solid 31 minutes per flight, while the Mini 4 Pro gives you 34 minutes per battery. Reviewers love the Mini 2 SE's solid battery life, perfect for beginners. The Mini 4 Pro's battery life is also praised, but noted as not the best, though it can be extended with a rechargeable set. Transmission range. The Mini 2 SE offers a 10 kilometers max transmission range. The Mini 4 Pro doubles down with a 20 kilometers FHD video transmission. Reviewers appreciate the Mini 2 SE's ease of use with a decent range, while the Mini 4 Pro's extended range is a highlight for those looking for professional-level performance. The Mini 2 SE is perfect for beginners with its user-friendly DJI Fly app and simplified operations. Reviewers praise its stability and wind resistance. The Mini 4 Pro, though, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and active track 360 degrees. Reviewers love its advanced features and ease of use for both beginners and professionals. For the thrill seekers, the Mini 4 Pro offers an immersive flight experience with DJI RC Motion 2 and goggles. Reviewers note the Mini 4 Pro's immersive experience as a standout feature. The Mini 2 SE, on the other hand, is more of a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal, which is perfect for those who prefer simplicity. Overall, reviewers highly recommend the DJI Mini 2 SE for beginners due to its affordability, ease of use, and impressive performance. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is praised for its advanced features, making it a great choice for those willing to invest in a more premium experience. So there you have it, folks. If you're ballin' on a budget and want a lightweight, easy-to-use drone, the Mini 2 SE is your guy. But if you're ready to splurge for all the bells and whistles and want to feel like a drone-piloting superhero, the Mini 4 Pro is calling your name. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Let us know in the comments which drone you think takes the crown and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying and stay smart.